Okay, here I'm going to review the Griffin Survivor case for the Samsung S3 phone. And I'm going to show you how bad this thing actually makes a sound. And let me play some music. Sounds really good right now, right? Okay, here's the bottom of the case. I'm going to put that in. Now it doesn't sound so good. Now it sounds like the speaker is blown. This case is great, but for sound, it's worthless. Now you start taking it off and it starts sounding better and better. You pop it out, and it goes back to sounding good again. I do not suggest getting the Griffin case until they fix the speaker problem. And that's it.